representing the SLU Marching Band's love for the people of Baguio has never been changing ever since its conception in the 1950s. Every heartbeat is representing its passion and zealousness to show to people that music is indeed a lifeline, connecting people, uniting them throughout the ages. The Panagbenga hymn, composed by our very own Dean Macario Ronco, calling them to unite, recall, and preserve the rich cultural heritage of the Montañosa. And at present, this hymn is also a tribute to Sir Ronda, whose love for music and the Cordilleras never ended, thus making him a man of great devotion and enthusiasm.